storytelling is a wonderful way to express our opinions, thoughts, and feelings to the right people. Hello, my name is Neha Upadhyay and I'm the brand ambassador of Bloggers Alliance, a non-profit organization which helps the bloggers in becoming national and global influencers by assisting them in harnessing the power of blogging. So today I'm going to share about the overview of products and services offered by Bloggers Alliance. Firstly, we provide annual and lifetime membership to individuals and help them in promoting their content and their creative ideas. Apart from that, we also provide annual membership to corporate sector, to organizations and startups. We help them in promoting their ideas and creative content and also assist them in influencer marketing. We also have ventured in co-publishing with partners. We have launched a book called Heroes Amongst Us, which tells about the inspirational stories of ordinary people who have achieved extraordinary success. Apart from this, our other services include storytelling, personal brand audit, creative workshops, and individual coaching which helps you to achieve your potential. We also provide a 3-month storytelling and blogging course and followed by a 3-month internship. This includes microblogging, social media, SEO, personal branding, storytelling, etc. We also provide certification courses on one-to-one classes as well as group classes with the help of online resources. We also provide a number of certification courses and much more products. So to summarize, we provide memberships, creative workshops, events, publishing, personal branding, storytelling, and much more. So do join our Bloggers Alliance community today and please do reach out on this WhatsApp number. We would be gladly looking towards your participation. Thank you.